Next up is the rolling hitch, and this is a useful knot for pulling along the length of something because it binds. I use it mostly for attaching the snubber to the anchor chain. It's also used to free a riding turn around a winch. We take the pressure of the sheet off the winch with another line tied with a rolling hitch. Here's our spinnaker sheet, and we want to pull it in this direction in order to take the tension off the winch to be able to unravel the riding turn. So we'll take a line over the top, bring the running end up and cross him over the standing part. Then go round again for the second turn and tuck this in between the first turn and the standing part. This gives us a change of direction and helps the knot to bind. Then cross over the standing part again and secure with a half hitch on this side of the knot. That's it, get it nice and tight. Now we can pull on this and take the pressure off the winch. One can also tie the rolling hitch by making 2 turns on one side of the standing part and then cross over for the half hitch. This is sometimes the better way of tying it on a smooth surface.